everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is interhalogen compounds. These are belongs to group 17. Group 17 is belongs to P block elements. We know this one is interhalogen compounds are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astadine. Flo, clo, bro, is. Okay, this is our magical line. Okay, so here interhalogen compounds, halogen compounds are forming negative charge, having the negative charge, forming one bond only. They are having the oxidation state -1 only. Okay, so here interhalogens means that group 17 halogens 2 or 3 anything, so that are combined to form new halogen compounds that are called interhalogen compounds. Say definition part. Here different halogens are combined, they form interhalogen compounds. See once, different halogens are combined to form interhalogen compounds. Okay, here 4 types of interhalogen compounds are having. We have 4 types of interhalogen compound. IHC. Okay, IHC, we have the subject IHC, interhalogen compounds. So they are AX1, AX3, AX5, AX7. These compounds are A is higher halogen and X is lower halogen. This one is higher halogen, this one is lower halogen. So here examples: AX we are having, AX3 having, AX5 we are having, and AX7. Here each and every one having example: Cl, F, Cl, F3, Br, F5, I, F7. This one is higher, this one is acts as a nucleus, main element in that compound. Okay, this one is lower, this one is higher, this one is lower. So higher having the high bond capability, lower having the low bond capability. So here these are the examples. We are having another example, IF5. So many examples are we are having, but according to our syllabus, they are asking about questions ClF3 and IF7 and IF5. Okay, so each and every type we have to know one example. Okay, so here what are the preparation methods of interhalogen compounds? So here different halogens are heated, not hydrogen, halogens are heated in a nickel tube, form IHC. Okay, interhalogen compound. So what are that example? Chlorine plus F2 gives rise to form Cl, F3, bromine, Br2, F2 gives rise to form Br, F5 compound, I2 reacts with 7, F2 gives rise to form 2F7. So here balancing of equation. This one is not balanced. Chlorines are 2, but here chlorines are just only 1. Taking off 2 chlorines. Here 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Bromines are 2 here. So here 2 5s are 10 fluorines 5. Okay. So here iodines 2, 7 already నేను ముందే రాసేసాను కదా, చూసుకోండి. So 2 iodines and 7 2s are 14, 2 7s are 14. This equation will be balanced. Okay. So this one is about chlorine and fluorine. So next another method is also there. This one is first method. Another method is also there. lower interhalogen compounds are heated. This one is higher interhalogens. This one is lower interhalogen compounds are heated with halogens to form a higher interhalogens. That means lower interhalogens are not always low. If మనం వాటిని గనక వేడి చేస్తే గనక అవి మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక హాలోజన్స్ తో పాటు రియాక్షన్ లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసి మనకి ఏమి ఇస్తాయి, హయ్యర్ ఇంటర్ హాలోజన్స్ ని ఇచ్చేస్తాయి. సో ClF fluorine is lower, ClF is higher. This one is on a heating condition that will be form ClF3. Okay, BrF3 plus F2 again. Okay, Br we are having the example BrF5. Okay, IF5 F2. Simply we know IF7. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so these are the lower interhalogens to higher interhalogens preparation methods. Okay.